Alright, so I apologize for this video. It's going to be not the best because I'm doing it on my cell phone. Not sure if I'm going to be able to edit it. But basically what's going on here is I'm in my garage. I just got home. I ordered a ammo can from a guy on Etsy. No Dice Customs. I'll link them on my description below. But basically this guy does custom stuff, you know, Jurassic Park, Star Wars, everything like that. So I went on his website, saw this stuff. Looks really cool. So let me go ahead and just open this bad boy up. My address is up on top, so I'm not gonna show you that. But basically, I'm a Star Wars fan, and I had him do something custom for me. I have not seen it. He sent me a picture a couple days ago, but I really didn't really look at it because I didn't want to ruin the surprise. But yeah, as soon as I get this open, I'll go. All right, cool. All right, so my address is not showing anymore. So this is gonna be the first time for me too. Let's check it out. He's in San Diego. Really cool guy. Contact is really easy. Sorry for all the crappy video, but there it is. Nicely packaged. It's gonna be safe. So this is a Star Wars themed custom ammo box. Well, I'm sure you already know from the description. It's gonna be a BB8. Wow, this is really nicely packaged, man. This is cool. Wow, you really just package it well. It's not gonna get damaged, that's for sure. Hold on a second. Alright, sorry for the video. It's terrible. Wow, look. Puts it in really nice. Shoot. I'm not going to try to edit it. I just want to post it. Oh man, I could already see it here. This is just like paper. It's like Christmas. I put 2 layers of paper on here. You can still smell the paint. Oh look, that's BB8's eyes right there. I'll close that. Oh yeah, this is cool, man. This is well made. It's like painted on there. This is not gonna scratch off or nothing. How cool is this? Look at that. BB8 ammo can. Freaking awesome. There's a little eye. Yeah, look at. How cool is that, guys? If you go on his website, you can see tons of stuff on there. Yeah, this is really nice. I'm really glad how it came out. Fully functional. No dice. Oh, that's really cool. Look at his little branding right there. That's a cool little touch. O-rings intact, so it will keep your ammo nice. And looks, got his card right here or something. Let's see. No Dice Customs.